Here in the heart of China, the BYD Factory, where electric cars are born, disrupting the world and reshaping competition forever. Today, we'll embark on a unique journey inside this massive factory to see how raw steel becomes a smart technological marvel racing toward the future. Imagine stepping into a factory unlike any other. The noise is organized, the robots dance in harmony, and sparks fly as if we're in a sci-fi movie. What is the BYD factory? BYD isn't just a company, it's a Chinese legend that started with batteries and evolved into an electric vehicle giant. In Shenzhen, one of the company's largest factories sprawls across an area the size of dozens of stadiums. Over 80% of the production stages rely on AI and green technologies. Here, cars aren't just made, the future is built. Starting from zero. The moment you step into the BYD factory, the first thing that strikes you is the orderliness, organized silence, focused faces, and robots moving with surgical precision. There's no room for coincidence here. Everything is calculated. The journey begins in the design department, where Chinese and foreign engineers simulate the perfect car shape. Then, the idea transitions into reality. The story begins with raw metal sheets, aluminum and steel, cut by ultra-precise robotic arms. They are laser-cut, bent, and shaped to gradually resemble a skeletal frame. The production lines move like a silent orchestra. Every piece is inspected, every angle measured. Quality isn't left to chance, but is measured in microns. Hundreds of robots work in harmony, building, fastening, inspecting. All under the watchful eyes of engineers who never blink. Suddenly, you see the car being born before your eyes. Slowly, the frame transforms into something that pulses with life. The beating heart. Now we reach the most critical stage, the part that gives the car its soul, the battery and the motor. Here lies BYD's true genius. It doesn't import batteries. It manufactures them entirely in-house, specifically the famous Blade battery. This battery is anything but ordinary. It's resistant to explosions, shocks, and heat. It has been tested in disaster simulating labs because the car of tomorrow should fear nothing. Now it's time for the battery to be installed in its designated place. Next, the electric motor is installed and tested on smart platforms that simulate ascents and descents, earthquakes, and sharp turns. Before the car reaches you, it has already lived an entire journey without moving an inch. final touches. Now, the car is nearly complete. The glass, doors, seats, and paint. Every detail is installed with care by robotic arms equipped with precision sensors that measure angle, pressure, and even thermal balance. Even the paint color is selected and applied in nanolayers, measured with a precision invisible to the eye. And inside, a smart screen, adjustable seats, navigation system, intelligent assistant, the car is no longer just a means of transport, it's a moving brain on 4 wheels. And finally, the car undergoes a real-world test. Test drivers drive it on a track that simulates Chinese roads and various global driving conditions. And if it passes all of this, it goes straight to global markets. And just like that, from a cold metal piece to a masterpiece racing the future, BYD was born. A journey that took hours of continuous work, years of expertise, and the trust of a nation. Today's journey wasn't just through a factory, but through a vision that says, the future waits for no one, and those who master manufacturing master control. Now it's your turn. Do you think the future of cars lies in China's hands? Or is the race still open? Write your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to return. Our next journey will be more thrilling than you can imagine. This episode was the result of an entire team's dedicated effort over many long days. From deep research to precise writing to professional voice recording and high-quality video editing. Every shot in this production and every line in this script was crafted to elevate your knowledge and take you on an unforgettable journey behind the scenes of technology. If you appreciate this effort, don't hesitate to support us. Subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Activate the bell so you don't miss any release. Thank you, because without you, the journey wouldn't be complete.